What is up, team? Welcome back, everybody. Please let me know that you can hear my voice. Type it in the chat. Say hello, hello, hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, man. And I shall say this before I approach the bench, right? I don't want to blow your ears here and explode your minds. What is up, everybody? Panda, what's up? Destiny, how you doing? How you doing? All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, man. Smokey, what's up, man? Nice. Bulldozer, what's up? Talks chicks, how you doing? Good to see everybody. What's up, right? You slept over 20 hours this week, dude. I am very happy about that. I am super happy that you got some sleep. Some sleep. Oh, that's right, man. You are fighting that sickness, huh? You got the bird flu, bro? That sucks, man. That sucks. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Guys, yeah, really interesting times here as we were able to nail the motherfucking downside on XRP, guys. We spoke about a 233, 234, 5, somewhere around there, right? And even a 237 we spoke of, but it was I didn't find so much area to consider the 237 as, because, you know, look at this, the 237.52, where we were talking about getting two different targets leading towards that bottom side on XRP. We did get a bounce from 237 to 241.59, where we're at just about right now. But from there, guys, then we met the higher probability 235s, even into the 233 at the bottom. So we ended up getting about a 232.90 from the 233 bottom that we experienced, guys. Still gotta be careful, right? But I am getting I'm just getting some interesting signals here. Oh, you did, Destiny? Nice. I am getting some interesting signals here. Of course, we got to just be careful because, of course, macro time frame openings, all kinds of weird things, right? But so far, guys, from 233 all the way up to 244, and let's see what's up. Let's just be about the damn game here and find out how continuation can impact this asset, right? Because immediate short-term time frame, sure, we can always come back and test some lower targets, but that daily time frame looks strangely like a crazy ass bull flag, right? So within the daily time frame, yeah, we can always, you know, up and down ourselves up in here, right? And then just explode to the moon, right? So please make sure to watch the video that I just put out. I just put out a thesis on this, and I also am very excited that I was able to get all of you guys to you know, reply with the all the way in the comments, right, guys? I was blown away by how much attention this video got, and how many reactions it had. Man, it's absolutely amazing, team. And by the way, just to kind of I don't want it to be like a, I'm not trying to be like, it's not a flex or anything like that, team. It's not anything like that, okay? But I'm super excited here that we are now just about 60, yeah, just about 60 subs from our 12,000 mark, right, guys? Which is fucking insanity for me to see, guys. Yeah, so this is really, I don't even know where the heck the number is, right? Oh my goodness, look at that, 1.3 million views already, almost 1,500 video releases, and that's where we are, guys. So we're just about to hit the 12,000 mark on the YouTube platform, and I couldn't be more excited about it, man. So yeah, guys, very cool response on yesterday's video. So I appreciate all of you for watching it all the way. So I just wanted to give you a quick shout out here. And oh, so you, Destiny, you watched it and you got in after the analysis. Nice. I love it. I really do hope, you know, that I can provide or continue providing more. Chopper said, more proof you don't need GME. I love you, bro. Thank you so much, man. So yeah, I hope I can continue providing some good information here for the team, right? But good times, guys, good times. I still, you know what? Somebody was just talking about GFAI, right? So what is GFAI? And also, did I look at it? Because I feel like I may have. Can somebody remind me if I did or I didn't? Because I don't know. All right. Let's see. You got one BT. Damn, Destiny, you now finally own one whole ass BTC. Let's go. That's the way to go, man. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's very exciting. So, yeah, guys, I don't remember if I actually did look at GFAI before, but of course, I'm going to go ahead and take a look here and see what's up, right? GFAI. Okay. I guess not. Yeah. But look at that damn thing go, right? What did it do in the post hours? Damn. Okay. All right. All right. So, what is this? Guard Force? Oh, it's an AI. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Of course, things titled AI will immediately shoot to the freaking moon, right? Which is ridiculous. Thanks, Ripe. Love you, buddy. So, GFAI, look at the daily time frame on this. Right, this is your day, and I can, in some way, shape, or form, we could kind of see the regressive inverse head and shoulders on this, right? And it's really interesting. 193 12-hour time frame went up all the way to 250, and then retraced to 231. Okay, so that puts us within a support zone, a support bound that's very, very obvious, but I will say that it's, you have to watch out because these very quote unquote super, super obvious zones can like literally destroy your life. Okay, guys. So your prior day to about this area here, right? That's what I'm talking about as a potential zone to observe supports, even the 50% reaching that area there. So using a 12-hour time frame, you can kind of see a little more grain in the price action, right? So this, I would say roughly around here, price action, it can, right? I'm not saying that it will. I'm saying that it can retrace into those targets. It's also a micro cap, right? So that also means that this thing could also overhear itself at 91 cents. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put that target in for us, team, so that we are aware over those potentials. Man, I am getting a serious super duper connection right now. Do I have any iPhone users in the Discord right now? And are you having any issues watching the stream? I want to know if it was based around my internet connectivity or was it Discord just wanting to short my ass to the ground? You know what I'm saying, what I'm saying. Right? So you're on an iPhone at the moment and you can see it, right? So you can catch the, oh, it's spinning. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely still Discord trying to short my ass to the ground. Cool. Thanks, Discord. You're the best, bro. All right, so anyway, 192, 202 mid, 212 top. All good, but still can't expand. Right. Oh, coin. Try to invert your phone to portrait instead of the wide, and that maybe I think you probably already have tried that. So to portrait, and you have the comments up. Do not expand the thing into full screen. I think that's the only way you'll be able to catch it. Damn, Panda's good with a 12 Pro Max. Switching to the fold. Yeah, that'll get it. That'll be pretty immersive too. Let's go. Okay, so GFAI looking like a very, very interesting and unique. Oh, there we go, guys. Look, man, let's go. All right, so we're going up to the targets that we spoke of yesterday, team. The targets that we spoke of yesterday are 99,738. And, of course, we were looking at a potential top of around 99,000, up there, 915, right? So we just got to get over that area, guys. So, you're 101, right? 101,000 would validate the 99 to $100,000, and then $100,000 would continue on to the 103s, 103.7-ish, right? So 103.7, yeah, damn, I know, dude. It is pretty damn basy on the Fold 6. So you would get that 103 rejection at around 103.7s, right? And that'll validate your 101. The 101 would then explode to the upside, guys. So that's why I'm saying that I think it's time. And look at price action right now on BTC, literally expanding like a freaking madman. And that's XRP right now is sitting at just bouncing in and out of that $2.42 zone from the 233 entries. So It's looking good. It's looking good is what I'm trying to say, guys. But anyway, GFAI, continuation on this looks very likely. So now that I can identify here a potential support bottom for some type of risk on situation, let's take a look at volatility versus momentum from the more immediate short term. Yeah, it is. We have even into maybe midnight as well. Yeah, I agree. So freaking things are going to start shifting a little nicely right now. Okay, guys. So 15-minute time frame showing us a shift in price action. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we have a nice upside pivot, but corrective pivot in the 5-minute time frame. It just closed, so we're about to open up a new one here. Resistance at that top bound of 233. I expect price action here to maybe come up or come down here to the 224 area, build an inverse head and shoulders, take advantage of that top side here, right? It's going to potentially be during the, I don't know if it has pre-market trading, like the early pre-market, like a Euro session pre-market, right? If it does have that, so it would likely peak above or resist at around that 250 level. If not, it would, the target in reality would be closer to around 270. So 260, 270 resistance on this would lead towards the downside here to potentially have us open up the market where we closed the market on the prior day on Friday. So that's why another reason why I'm talking to you about this 192 to 212 with a center bound of around 202. There is, it's just your pre-market gap up, right, guys? It's going to fade the open and just come right back down to those critical levels, and that level would likely give you some nice opportunity here. If it did reach that 192, I mean, fucking hell yes, you have a 5-day high there and several other things, right? So very, very good indeed. Now, if we kind of look at this from the hourly time frame and expand our visibility, there is also a breakout happening right now, right? So that breakout zone is, it really is from this zone of 176 to just about that area of about 205 right here, right, guys? So that zone here is identified as a multi-resistance area for multi-weeks as well. So if we're breaking above that, that means that we're now in the process of converting. What the hell is that? Okay, yeah, converting this resistance area into now enacting support, right? So yeah, I guess I can scare you a little bit and really sober you up in here and say that yeah, there even still is room to bring price action here towards the 177. Is that a probability? Of course it is, but do I think it's going to happen? It's not up to me, but I don't think so, right? So if it is in the plans for it, then fucking so be it. But I also don't think that this is done with its upside trajectory, right, guys? So number one, we do have some psychological properties that lead very much in a textbook manner towards the top side target here. There is a bull flag here, so measured move on that bull flag would lead price action to about $2.65, and I just spoke to you about a $2.70 zone being the formation here itself. So now actually the formation of the inverse head and shoulders would probably be a little, well, actually, you know what, the inverse head and shoulders was based around the 10-minute time frame, so that was a tinier head and shoulders. It was this one here, guys. It was right in here somewhere. So yeah, if we can get that top side, then good. But I don't know that it's going to, I don't know that it's really going to fucking take us all the way there. In fact, the more the hourly time frame or 30-minute time frame bull flag, that'll give you a little bit of a closer perspective. Maybe this thing actually gives us the 270 here. So let's see, right? So top end, yeah, actually shit, that gives us a 304. So okay, fucking fair enough. Let's go ahead and mark that off here with some trend lines like this and validate that upside using mathematics, right, guys? So let me see the 4-hour time frame against those top side targets. Oh yeah. Very, very, very unique targets here, and I support them both very much so. In fact, this area here is entirely perfect for a range. It would be literally 268 to 309 with a center bound right here of around 287. So let's fucking validate this. Let's see if we have enough thrust in the in the butthole here, right? So we can fire off some. So let's see, by hourly time frame, stop that shit, bullshit. All right, guys. So yeah, hourly time frame downside, that would likely lead towards let's see, downside on bi hourly. total downside here would be 4 hours worth, and that would be where the upside starts as well. So stats, let's see, 19 cents on ATR, downside 4 hour. That would lead us to, here it goes, fucking 19 cents. Yeah, fucking shit, man. Can we actually do that? Dude, it will be at 210. Yeah, well, there we go, right? Here it is, 212. Okay, so 4 hour time frame likely leading towards that downside here. Okay, guys, so very, very good stuff. And that's about as much downside as I can expect. And also, that's where the upside starts. This is perfect for this. Man, this signal is great. Oh man, the 4 hour time frame looking super magical. 6 hour time frame also, right? Huge signals being fired off here. A critical expansion with upside biases. And let's see, upside. Yeah, same thing here with the 8 hour time frame. Guys, this is fucking cool. Notice as well that the 192 to 212 to 202 is also the 50% 8 hour prior bar retrace. And it's very likely for it to reach there. Same situation here with a 12 hour bar. And your daily bar, guys, of course, that's going to be your gap. It's either going to be a gap and go or gap fill reversal. So let's find out. Let's find out in the morning. But I do think that it has a continuing thrust. Look at that buy daily time frame, guys. This thing closed. This is going to be the new buy daily opening up, and this thing is completely firing off volatility with an upside bias on that stochastic momentum. Completely pivoted upward. 3-day time frame, same situation here. 4-day time frame, same. 5 weekly upsides. And look at that weekly time frame break of volatility alongside the 5-day. Holy crap, man. This is already a big ass signal fired for massive upside continuation. Same thing with the 2-week. Let's see how much upside we have, right? Monthly time frame, bi-monthly, can't even see. Yeah, I would say bi-monthly would be the top end of this. I hope that's fucking accurate. Are you serious? I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use the bi-monthly ATR. I'm going to use 2 months of bi-weekly. I'm going to use 2 iterations of bi-weeklies, giving us about a $2.08, right? $2.08 of ATR would likely lead towards, already from here, if we just use only the bi-weekly, because that's where I can clearly see the upside, well, your ATR top on this would literally be, 193 plus $1.04. So, fucking $3. There's your resistance that we were looking at, right? So now, if you did include one more dollar, that's taking you up to around $4, and there is a resistance right around there. In fact, I would think that the opposing target would be right here. It would stop from having price reach all the way to the $4 target. In fact, it would be an upside range too. So I would, actually, never mind that. Nice. Okay. So the low on this bi-weekly is can't see it because the stupid thing is in the way. Hurry up, get out of the way. So that would be a low of 399. Damn. Okay, so we do have mathematics completely backing the potential upside continuation on this. In fact, it's kind of comical because it's a lot of upside. I am a fan of it. I like it. I just don't like the price, and I don't like that it's an AI, right? So market cap on this is 19.76 mil. We have a share float. It's micro, guys. It's micro. It's 8.36 mil. So this is, it's dangerous, but we also have a very nice analyst rating buy signal here on the forecast. It does have upgrades, 450 targets. Wow. Okay, so I just gave you a $4 target on that. Nice. And the algorithm here on TradingView is also suggesting a buy, right? That doesn't always happen. It does happen, but not always. So we do have this buy signal from the technical algorithm inside of TradingView, and also the analyst rating giving us a strong buy on this. I agree. Just wait for, I would say, very patiently here to you, and hopefully in a huge discretion to maybe wait up for price to come back to you and let it grace, let it just graze you in that way. So, man, okay. I'm going to put the thesis on this as like you have several areas where you can take profit, you know, in reality here, team. Okay, so you can take profit here at these psychological targets, which are absolutely viable, and I do agree with them. I completely agree with them. Even this one in the center here, okay, 290, and I will also say that there is a longer swing play on this, which, you know, man, this is it becomes a little dangerous here with microcaps and swinging. Do we know if this thing has any warrants? Is it, or you know, why is it doing this? Why is it running like this? You know what I mean? Exclusive, let's see, guard force. Okay, well, let's see, earnings. Okay, 50% jump on gross profit, turns net income positive. Okay, expands AI solutions. So they're doing stuff. What it's saying here is that based on their positive EPS, they are using they're using the stockholders cash to expand, right? So that's always a great thing. We want to know that the company is using I'm now talking to you in a very fundamental manner, right? We want to know that the growing company is using the stock holders money for positive, for expansion, for continuation research, R&D, whatever it is, right, guys? So if it is doing that, may the card forge be with you. So yeah, I think it is getting a pretty interesting continuation. Okay, so yeah, so as far as the trajectory, right? Let me just kind of put that down here, like you know, immediate short-term upside, like I said, potentially all the way up to 267. Then we would retrace into this area here. That would continue onto the price action of around the 310. 310 validates 268. Continuation into the upper bound targets, potentially a 2 to 3 day effort with extreme volatility. So if it does have all the volatility that I'm observing here, 2 to 3 day effort. If it does not show it, guys, it may chop around and you know, err on the side of a liquid for you, and then have you experience a wait time for your ticket to be called, right? Freaking, it's just gonna act like the DMV on you. So please be careful with this, but I am supporting it, and I am going to add it here into the Arca's plays of the week. So stocks chick, did you call this one out? Very cool ticker. Like freaking very cool. Let me take this screenshot, guys. Hold on just a moment. Hold on just a moment. Yeah. All right, now let me visit some bullshit down there. Where the hell is that thing? Every single time, brothers and sisters, brothers. All right, so there is our first image added. Hello. Okay. Nice. Kareem, that was you? Oh, it's Talk. Okay, got you. Thank you so much for this ticker. It does have a pretty good opportunity, I must say. RR. I'm not sure what that is. That is Rich Tech Robotics, and oh damn, look at that. Holy shit. Did you guys catch entry on that shit? Are you still in? Fuck. Damn. I remember talking about this and not giving you an upside target. In fact, I gave you these were the upside targets. It continued. Shit, this was like 2 weeks ago, right? Options called this one out. Where the hell is Opciones? Let's go ahead and see what is up. Counting his guys from Fartcoin. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me take a look. Shit. Oh. It has all those it has those signals. It has the 4-hour time frame, massive upside with the volatility expansion. Dude, I think so. I think, yeah. Motherfucker. I see. Let me see the weekly. Maybe actually, where is it though right now? 12-hour is at 402. It looks like a 460 is a heavy area of resistance. We are at the resistance, you know what I mean? But I think the loading zone would be amazing at 346. There is a huge weekly gap here that's confluent to the, arguably, I would say entry would be 316 to 346. The 316 pivot top would be confluent to the 50% prior weekly bar, which we just closed and we're opening here on Monday. So there is potential for this thing to reach down to that level. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of jot that down for now. Yeah. I'm gonna nail the targets closer, guys. So this is a closing valuation where that was at 347. Okay, so 347 it is. You liar. And the wick high on this was 319. I'm at 320. Oh my goodness, I might not even be able to get that 319 because that's good enough. Damn it! All right. So actually, my OCD is killing me. I'm sorry. There it is. Nope. Yay. And there it is. There it is. There it is. Got you. Okay. Yeah, Destiny. Chilling. Okay, so with all that crazy ass upside that this thing has, I'm like, yeah, I guess let's just look at the immediate short term, like really immediate. Can we do a head and shoulders on this? And if it does, you know, this, I mean, this is a fucking, it feels like it was a falling wedge breakout. You know, I hate that first target didn't actually, I mean, I could use it like this-ish, right? And I know that this is a lot of people right here or right here. I know. But I don't like it when this one, I don't like it when that first pivot doesn't touch. It needs to clearly be there. You know, it needs to be obvious as all hell. And if it's not there, then what the hell are we doing? You know what I mean? So I do think that it's something like this here. And it looks like we're already kind of getting the validation for breakout, and it just doesn't matter anymore because that upside already got met. In fact, the upside was this target here, the 319. So let me explore a little more. Let's see what else it has. Okay, so it's not done with the daily bull flag. So daily bull flag on this, it could even be a buy daily. Yeah, I think it's just a daily time frame bull flag. Okay, it's all good. So let's kind of add that boy there, and this would be upside continuation to $6.02. Damn. Of course, I would really suggest the 5. I mean, if it were going to that fucking top side, is this thing here, you know, the coin, like the 550s, I guess on a daily time frame, it's kind of hidden as 533, right? So if 533 was the case, then we have technically to 6. Let me. I mean, I'll do the fucking 468. No shit, right? But fucking 531 to. I'm catching him. Hold on, I'm catching him. There it is. Okay. Yeah, this opening valuation, closing valuation, opening valuation on this potential wick top. So all that, the whole relationship there, I think would be of higher probability. So 580, fucking whatever that is, 584. Midbound would be the 550s that you're talking about, 557 to 531 at the low. Yeah, I feel. Yeah, I was gonna say that if it actually continues with expansion into these tops here, then your retrace would be kind of the thing to worry about here. So your retrace would be a 530s, 550s to fucking $4 or 380. Then the 380 here would then kind of explode price action towards the upside to where we can resist at 656, validate your 550, or your even your it would be $6 to $550 ish, and that would then take price action into that $8.55 $9 target. It looks like it could really rally into that, but does it have it? Does it support? Can it support it? Let me take a look at volatility and see what in God's name it's doing. Okay, so number one, I guess I got to just take a look at the probabilities of downside on this. Not really. Shit. I mean, well, yeah, because the technical thing is that it's retracing, that it would retrace from an area that has been retraced before, but it's not giving me a lot of downside signals, guys. In fact, I think that this thing could, in fact, I think that there are two zones where I think this may go, and it doesn't seem too likely, right, guys? I think it would probably be around here, 383 to 393. I'm gonna have to put these down though. Okay, I'm gonna put both of these areas down here, but I want it to come down here, but it doesn't seem like it could. Okay, but I'm not done. Let me see. Okay, there we go. So the upside potential can be 30 minutes. Nope, 1 hour's worth of upside. So that would be 28 cents of upside. Saying that this thing opens up at 402, likely runs to the areas of about 430. Yeah, so 425 resistance on this. Of course, the 430 is like the wick tops in here, but I think the resistance would be the opening and closing valuations of these bars here. So yeah, I would say just about the 424 in the Euro sessions early pre-market. This would probably bring price action down to this area, and it may not even go all the way down there, guys. It may not, right? Because we also have a fair value gap here that's confluent to this hourly bar, which is around 406. So there could be a retrace here to 406 and continue to finish solidifying the hourly bull flag. Okay, I'm not catching too much downside, but let's quantify it. By hourly time frame downside, it's so limited. Downside, it's 4 hours worth of downside on a little bit of a shooting star. I guess 46 cents drop. That would be $3 and fucking 60 cents. Our supports are 383. Yeah, I am still gonna stick to this here. I want to stick to this area. I want price action to pull back into 383 to 393. I would really hate to buy the top on this thing, you know what I mean? So I gotta stick to that area there. I'm gonna put the secondary zone here just in case price action does reach that, this area here, 347 to 319 with a center bound of around 332. But I think the higher probability may be there at 383 to 393. Okay, team. And upside continuation, 4 hour, 6 hour into the 8 hour upside, still fucking upside continuation into the 12 hour. And the daily time frame closed that massive green bar, and it hasn't even seen it inside of a stochastic momentum or volatility. That's daily upside. Continuation buy daily upside with a close on the buy daily, and a 3-day time frame in the gravitational point with massive expansion. Okay, wow. 4-day time frame upside with expansion signals. 5-day fucking weekly. Damn, no way. Okay, so I am seeing here it could be 2 months worth of upside, and this could be well, so from here is currently what I'm kind of concerned about. So, so it's like $2 from here. So 4, 5, 6. Fucking, it's this resistance, guys. It's literally 531 to 584. That's what the math is leading to. So, fuck. Yeah. Damn. And the thing is that this is such a interesting upside signal on a monthly. I can't catch anything else because there's not enough data traded here. But if I would quantify this to 2. This would probably be $3.50 run, maybe. You know, so yeah. So from like $4 fucking bucks or around 350, this fucking yeah. I think this actually can go to the 680s into $7. And if it breaks to fucking 680, guys, that's your might as well is fucking way up there. So let's just take this step by step. But this is clearly one massive macro reversal. I honestly think this is going above all-time highs. So let's just be super careful about what I just said I'm not saying this in I'm not going to say that. But this is a huge reaccumulation cycle, guys. This is not done. This is far from being done. The only danger I see here, team, the only dangers I really see here are part of the, macro times. But did it already pull back those macro? Damn, it did. Fuck, dude. These are validations as fuck. Look at that. Look at that bullish engulfing on a 3-month. We just opened that shit 4 days ago. Oh, fuck. Man, 5-month bullish engulfing? Shit. Fucking hammer on the 6-month, above the fucking 6-month high. Dude. True red outside bars is like, I guess this is the only thing that's scaring me here. This motherfucker goes to 690, retraces all the way back to fucking 173, then goes to the highs. That would take months. Oh my goodness. But this is stupid bullish. The thing is that at the annual time frame, I still would prefer the setup that the monthly, bi-monthly, 3-month, and 5-month, and even the 6-month are putting in. So these shorter time frames would cascade and manipulate the annual time frame. This is too big. So yeah, guys. In reality, yes, it is a downtrend and it is a true red outside bar, but it's also a fucking hammer. And it retraced 35%. It retraced 35% that bar. So the annual bar. I think this is on a macro reversal. Whatever the fuck it's doing, I think, guys, it's gonna blow through the all-time high. And we just gotta be careful about trading this. Who called this one out? This was options. This is not fucking done. Dude, the monthly is fucking killer. Dude, I really do like it too, bro. Like, this is actually fucking sick. We marked, those were areas we marked off before, 111s, fucking 104, 106. It just has so much potential, dude. He called it a 93 cents. Fuck, that's why we had these upsides here. Okay. All right. I'm game. I'll bite. And this market cap is 390.22 mil. Shares, the float is about 45 mil. It's still sighting in the small area. So, but still, guys, it does have. Does it have a catalyst other than the EPS? And let me look at volatility one more time. Shit, all of these are going towards expansion. My God. Yeah, this has macro upside written all over it. No way. Dude, that's a big deal. They're going to present at the convention. That's great. Eyes on this ticker, everyone. Eyes on this one. $4 fucking. Let's see if we can get a discount on this to 319 to 347. I'm going to write down the continuation. I hope that we can get this here, team, but it doesn't feel like it. It really doesn't. NVIDIA CEO is speaking there this week too, dude. And NVIDIA's rapidly increasing in value right now. I'm gonna put down all these targets, guys, and I'm gonna say that for us to just be super aware over the immediate short-term fluctuations, because the overall trend on this, the macro trend, is clearly upside, right? But the ebbs and flows can be killer. The ebbs and flows on this could be very, very damaging if not played correctly. Okay, so let me I'm just gonna color these just slightly different so that it's not confused as anything else. Okay, so actually I need to, damn it, man, damn it. All right, that's what I get. All good. And okay, so yeah, I think trajectory on this would be into these targets here. I don't know that we'll get there. And the fucking upside. I mean, guys, there is, short-term take profit is very, very, very obvious, around here. It could be a short-term area to remove risk if you don't want to be, exposed for too long, which is fine. BTC trying to knock it right now. Nice, man. I love it. Look at that, guys. We're right at our target that we spoke about. That was our top side, 99,738. We are literally there now, but within the range that we spoke of too. Very good stuff. And yeah, I'm still expecting. Guys, with a breakout out of this multi-month resistance here. This is also your 50% range between these areas here. Okay, so what that means is pretty substantial. And then there's also head and shoulders formation here that can be invalidated above the 50% in my opinion. And that target for the inverse, for the head and shoulders bullish side is actually anywhere between 114 to 116,000 BTC, guys. So I already put all this days ago out in videos. So just I'm still expecting it. Yeah, I'm actually, you guys fucking knew about this upside starting from 92,000 where we said we'd likely drop into. That was just a couple days ago. So fucking thank goodness we got that downside. Thank goodness we got the continuation and also the pullback into the 97,003, which came down to 97,254 from yesterday's analysis. And now the explosion is happening just like we said. This was likely going to be a bear trap. And that's literally what the video was called yesterday, team, bear trap. So let's find out. Okay, guys. And, but this ticker is very impressive. Let me just put in here the, those profit targets. Yee. Sorry, Smokey, were you going to say something? I was quick to notice you, brother. Let me see. Shoot, yeah, guys. Not sure if we're going to get below this area here, but fuck. This could be, with the volatility that I said, right? This could be a 2 to 3 day effort. Okay. RR done. This is a massive ticker, bro. Let me go into the Arca's plays of the week. Ooh, boy. Hold on. Sorry, guys, just a sec. Okay. Are you talking about Algorand? Destiny, let me know if that's you. This fucking thing looks... Oh, shit. Yeah. Nice. It's very similar to... It's following the influence of BTC. Take a look at the charts. See what I mean? It's breaking above that multi-month resistance. 50% of the range, and this has the same properties. Algorand is, this is also a network, actually one of the cheaper ones for crypto transfers, really cheap, next to valuations of the Tron network as well. So it's in the process of validating a critical conversion right now. Supports to the downside on this are this on price action, guys. This looks like it's very, 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 very well into a macro trend, a macro reversal. Supports to the downside 40.52 to 39.76. Yeah, that's, dude, Algorand is ridiculous, dude. Also, the Tron is pretty damn good too. So invalidated head and shoulders on this completely. And yeah, this isn't the high just yet, but it is creating a higher low. Okay, so I do believe that the next high on this could be somewhere up here-ish, right? It would be 47 to around 40. I'm sorry, 46, 40 to around 48 is where I believe the next pivot is going to be, right? So I do, kind of like this here. So if it is, showing us that those properties here, so that we should actually be getting, bi-hourly time frame upside or 3 hour. So yeah, 3 hour time frame. Oh, we have a lot of contraction here too. Nice. Yeah, a lot of contraction because we are at a break of resistance, guys. This is not a zone. This isn't this is the most dangerous zone that you can buy. This is it here. And if I'm not mistaken, we're probably sitting on a volume shelf like nobody's fucking business too. It feels like we're gonna spike in volume here, with the V, what the Here we go. Yeah, there you go. See what I mean? Huge volume here, huge spike. So I do believe that this is why contraction is happening, right? We need to just get over this area here, team. As soon as we can bust out of the zone. It is king. Well, price action, but yes. As soon as we can break out of this area here, team. I mean, you can see it. You can. I know that. Man, I hate talking like that because I feel like I'm just being so smug. Team, when I say that, I know that it's not obvious to the untrained eye, but I can see this spike of volume without me having to look for an indicator to tell me. Right? I see it because of how price action is behaving against the entire structure. Right, so this structure it's very, to me it's a very obvious thing, but you'll see it in time, guys. I believe in each and every one of you. Okay, so if we can identify now potential continuation based on what we now know, well, we have a daily time frame. Tweezer bottom here that's already kind of building, right? A little bit of a hammer candle paired with a bull flag. So, that would be, if we move through this area here, team, this can become very liquid, very, very liquid quickly. So if we, so I'm gonna just go ahead and introduce also this, right? We have this area here. You're getting this higher low structure here, team. This is very, very, very likely trying to tell you that this is, trying to retrace 100%. In fact, some of the upper targets I see here would be somewhere around the 51 to about 40. Weekly time frame would give you a better information, right? But yeah, this is like leading towards this upside. And I mean, look at the fucking bi-weekly bull flag and the weekly bull flag on this thing, man. This is not done. I think the upper target. I think this is fucking going to $1, guys. It's going to $1. All right, so there you go. Oh my goodness. Very, very nice bullish engulfing true green outside bar prior week. Shit. Dude, what? This is, yeah, I'm very bullish this. Fuck. Super bullish this. It's part of everything though, guys. This is part of, it's doing the same move that fucking crypto, that BTC is trying to do. This is incredibly bullish. This is really just, it's not done. It's not done is what I'm trying to say. And you have, look at this, bi-monthly volatility shift above the moving average with upside pivots as well. This is giving you some vibes, guys. So and here you go, right? So bi-monthly giving you that upside. Likely speaking, the quarterly would be, actually it would be quarterly top. I don't, there's so little information here is on the 5 month. I'm like opposing giving it to you there, but I'm gonna be safe here and just say that this is it's going to be about 5 months, a quarter's worth of upside. And if the quarter is the upside that we're observing here, and it opened up at 34 cents, well, the ATR is 53 cents. It's close to $1. That's like 95 cents. It's a buck. I think it's going to a buck. So as there is a lot of resistance up there in the fucking 93s, fucking 84 to 93s, that's your quarterly ATR right in this area here. That's the pocket, and that would all, yeah, nice. Fuck yeah, things are shifting here big time, guys, and everything is kind of showing it. Okay. So I still believe that there could be a shorter time frame retrace into these targets here. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to stick to what I fucking see. I don't know what else to tell you, Destiny. All right. So, so I think in crypto, guys, sometimes, day trading it would be unideal for the untrained trader. Okay. So with that said, this would be okay to 39.74, 40.14, or 40.53 your long hold portfolio. So just be careful if you don't have risk parameters, if you don't have the time trading, but if you don't have the screen time. Okay, guys, build your discretion first. Build it first, and then experiment the immediate short term. Right, because if you, and it's really those who build from small, guys. I'm not joking when I said I traded my way from fucking $80 here, guys, into life-changing money and shit. And still, I'm not even fucking there yet. But just be careful, okay, team? That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, so I do think that this would be a pretty nice entry zone, and I want to give you the shorter term targets, like specifically like the 47, 47.91, like this area here. Yes, I see those, this 1-2 right around 43 cents. These are all areas that day traders can pull out and just completely go in berserko on. Right, but I think this has a very, very unique opportunity coming up, and I think it has room for I would say 83 cents to about 96 96-cent top on this for now. Okay, so just heads up on that, guys. Okay, just please be very careful. I don't want you losing your butts on something that's super high volatility, guys. The high volatility in crypto is presented because of the lack of experience. It's a higher volume of untrained traders inside of crypto. Any drop can create a panic sell, which speaks inexperience, and any liftoff any upside price action, immediate upside price action, can be super volatile to the upside. That speaks inexperience. That speaks crypto being in its infancy. It's learning how to be itself. Within the space of the broader markets. So consider what I said there, team. Okay, I actually speak of this in the master's course as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot on this. I'm very bullish Algorand. I'm very bullish Bitcoin. Very bullish XRP as well. I do believe that we're approaching I believe that we're approaching a time here. So let me go to the plays of the week. Let me just pull out here. There we go. I just added it there. And okay, good stuff, man. Okay, guys. So I think oh, you know what? Yeah, let me squeeze one more in, guys. Let me take a look at FFIE. I know that a few of you were still long that ticker. And hold on, where the hell's my chart? Right. Yeah, it's over here. Of course, it's on my NQ. Sorry. This is my fucking NQ chart. Always on the 8-hour. Always empty as fuck. All good. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at what is that shit called again? FFIE. Yeah, dude, so plain, man. It's just my. You know those AR glasses, like augmented reality glasses. Some of them were just not going to even be released. The Snapchat ones and also the Meta ones, and like the ones that have like the key fob. The key fob, it's not a key fob. It's like a but just these AR glasses, like you're able to play games with each other, like ping pong and stuff like that. But they're never going to be released because they're just too big still, and they only have like the Snapchat ones only have 45 minutes of battery life, and the Metas only have about 2 hours of battery life. And seriously, yeah, no, they're they're just like glasses, right? They're just like the shape of any, they're the shape of any glass, but they're really thick on you. You know what I mean? They're just like the Metas kind of look like the Ray-Bans, but they're huge because they're cramming all that tech in there, but those are interesting because as you walk up to items, the items would have they generate these little blue dots everywhere, and you can click on the dots, and these dots show you the whole breakdown of whatever it is that you're looking. And then you can ask it, can you create something out of these items inside of, inside of my peripheral? So it's the marriage between those, the ones that you had, X Reels. It's the marriage between those and those huge goggle ones. Oh my goodness, guys, I need to put some eye drops on my eyes. Hold on. Oh my God, it's burning. Oh man, try to find that thing when your eyes are, you know, doing you. Yeah, no, those freaking Meta glasses, they have like a price tag of like $25,000. It's that's where tech is going though, apparently. Okay, so yeah, really interesting times there, team. So yeah, anyway, let's take a look at real quick. Let's take a look at this FFIE as it did actually, you know, kind of continued and hovered around that area of we needed to break above the 321, right, in order for us to get that upside. We got up to 389, and I was thinking that we may even get up to that 401. So we didn't do that, but also to be fair, I was just so reluctant about continuing beyond these areas here, but it looks like it could still. The reason why I was actually calling out potential risk off on these targets, but if we are still, you know, in the process of building here a more macro upside, then I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. Well, let me see the 24-hour. Shit, that doesn't look too bad. It's just FFIE, guys. This thing is fucking dangerous as all hell. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna rely on. Oh, let me just look at price one more time. I'm gonna look at the structure of price overall. It's candles, right? Let me see your day. See your bi-daily 3-day. Those are all these are all our speaking immediate short-term downside. And the bi-weekly looks like it could retrace a little too. Okay, so your monthly time frame is already retraced. It already did. It's I mean, I'm honestly, just speaking honestly, of course this thing can still, you know, come back down to this area. In fact, 153 on FFIE is critically important for these macro times. But very clearly, this created a huge that created a huge tweezer bottom and a true and a green outside bar, which is great. You know what I mean? So let me continue on price though. Yeah, contraction. It's at a 50%. What is there a spinning top doji somewhere? These are all kind of like the daily time. Yeah, like these are all kind of indecisive and fucking inside bars. Bi-daily inside, 3-day inside, 4-day inside, 5-day inside. It was because it made such a huge move towards that upside. Okay, so in respect to the daily time frame, it's already at support. But resistance is very clearly the day's high, as it is resisting at this point here. And I can see why price action had a tough time breaking above this area here. It's a huge gap. Okay, let's go to volatility. Screw it. 15-minute time frame downside. There's contracting upside on a 10-minute. That means resistance at 324. Okay. 324 resistance. Rising wedge. Likely targets for the likely targets for this are 309 to around 302. So let me see the downside quantified 15-minute time frame to 30 minutes. 30 minutes time frame would be total downside. That's 12 cents. Opening up risk at 302. It's 303, 302. It's still the same area that I spoke of. Okay, it appears to have short-term downside to 302. It's consolidating on a 3-hour time frame. It is consolidating on a 4-hour. Same with the 6-hour. The 8-hour time frame is consolidating too. 12-hour, and we have daily downside with a green print. We are in a chop. We are very likely in a chop, and I think that with the day on FFIE, unless something is announced, this is the range here. And actually, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I believe price action doesn't exceed these bounds tomorrow. 295 to 386. Chop. And there's a very specific resistance at the 50% too, at around 337. So, yeah. I would be very careful with this right now, guys. I don't like what's happening with this. But you guys know what FFIE can do. I'm going to put the... I'm going to put the colors like this. And I'm going to do this as well. Okay. And there we go. Sorry, I'm just going to do it this way instead. Okay. So, for the next day, guys, who knows? It's just, we're consolidating like crazy. This thing doesn't want to give me an upside or downside. Yeah, I tried to see it with price action too. And take that, do not take that with a grain of salt. When I am genuinely telling you I don't know, that fucking means I don't know. It really dead ass means I don't know. Like, I would not take that lightly. Fucking from anyone who really knows how to trade, don't take that as a, so let's, I'll put it out. I'm going to put it out. And when I don't know where price action is going, guys, that means risk off for me. Okay. It doesn't have to mean risk off for you. It just means risk off. Yeah, seriously. That means for me is risk off and next play. Don't let stupid be right. Dude. So the market maker closed all the counter trend trades. If we say we know, we're joking. LOL. Anyway, we never know. And dude, in reality, no one ever knows, dude. You know what I mean? It's but this is such a critical game of probabilities, and it's how you take the probabilities and how you take the percentages against the probabilities that will define you as a trader, and also the opportunities that you take based on those either lower or higher probabilities will also curve your portfolio. The ability to execute a trade versus calling a trade, there's a true difference. There's a big difference between calling out the play and playing the play. They're two different animals. Just I speak from experience, man. So, shit. You can get your ass handed to. Fucking, you were right the whole time, but for some reason you lost money in the right that you were in. That's the world of, that's lunacy. I know that everybody goes stop describing me, says Ripe. Dude. I love you, buddy. All right, team. Let's close shop. Let's hang out. Let's get some rest, and let's meet back here in the AM. Okay, guys, I love you all very much. I'm going to stop the YouTube stream here.